I found the best AI courses that could seriously increase your income in 2026. And one of them could be worth more than an entire degree. Because right now, companies are paying premium salaries for one thing: people who know how to use AI to create value. Not people who just know what ChatGPT is. Not people who watched 2 tutorials. Real skills, real leverage, real business impact. Welcome to TechWise, where we focus on practical AI that changes careers. And before we start, one important truth. No course can guarantee a 6-figure salary, but the right skills can put you in the rooms where those salaries exist. So today, I ranked 5 of the best AI learning paths available right now in April 2026, starting from the least valuable to the one I believe has the highest career upside. Let's begin. Number 5. This one is underrated because it's not flashy, but for beginners, it's one of the smartest starting points. The Google AI Professional Certificate on Coursera is designed for people who want job-ready AI skills without deep technical prerequisites. Recent coverage highlighted access to tools like Gemini, NotebookLM, and AI Studio as part of the learning path. Why it matters. Most people skip fundamentals and jump into advanced topics too early. That's a mistake. This type of program teaches how to use AI responsibly, productively, and practically in everyday work. Think AI for operations, AI for marketing, AI for business workflows, AI for productivity. If you work in consulting, sales, project management, HR, or corporate roles, this can create immediate ROI. Will this alone get you to 6 figures? Not usually. But it can help you become the person in your company who knows how to implement AI first. And that can accelerate promotions fast. That's why it starts our list. Solid, practical, accessible. But now let's move to something stronger. Number 4. This is where you stop being an AI user and start becoming an AI builder. The deep learning. AI machine learning specialization remains one of the most respected foundations for learning real machine learning concepts, model training, supervised learning, and practical workflows. This matters because there's a huge difference between using AI tools and understanding how AI systems actually work. When you understand training data, model evaluation, overfitting, bias, and prediction systems, you become much more valuable. Because businesses don't only need prompt users. They need people who can solve real problems with data. This course is especially valuable for analysts, junior data professionals, developers transitioning into AI, technical consultants. And here's the hidden advantage. Even if you never become a machine learning engineer, this knowledge helps you speak the language of high-paying AI projects. That alone can increase your market value. But now we go from theory to enterprise demand. Number 3, Cloud AI certifications. This includes paths like Amazon Web Services, Certified Machine Learning Tracks, Google Cloud Professional Machine Learning Engineer, Microsoft Azure AI Engineer certifications. Why are these so valuable? Because companies don't deploy AI in notebooks. They deploy it in infrastructure, production systems, pipelines, security environments, scalable architectures. And that's where the money gets bigger. A lot bigger. If you can help an enterprise move from cool prototype to real AI system running in production, you're solving a rare and expensive problem. That's why cloud AI talent is so valuable. This path is ideal for engineers, technical consultants, IT architects, developers with cloud experience. And yes, this is where 6-figure salaries become much more realistic. Because implementation pays more than theory. But now we enter a category most people ignore, and it may be the fastest path for professionals already in business roles. Number 2, executive AI strategy programs. Programs from institutions like MIT Sloan School of Management, Wharton School, or similar executive education providers focus less on coding and more on AI transformation, governance, leadership, and business value creation. Digital-defined education. This is powerful because many companies already have developers. What they lack is leadership. People who can answer, where should we apply AI? What's the ROI? What are the risks? How do we redesign workflows? How do we scale adoption? That's not a junior skill set. That's strategic value. And strategic value gets paid differently. If you're already mid-career, manager, consultant, founder, senior specialist, this route can outperform technical courses because it builds on your existing experience. You don't start from zero. You layer AI on top of what you already know. And that can be explosive. But now we reach number 1. And this is the course path I believe has the highest upside in 2026. Because it doesn't just teach content, it teaches leverage. Number 1, build your own AI portfolio path. Not one course, a stack. Here's what I mean. Take a strong foundation course. Add prompt engineering. Add automation tools. Add API basics. Add one real business niche. Then build projects publicly. For example, AI for finance. AI for legal workflows. AI for sales systems. AI for healthcare admin. AI for content operations. Why is this number 1? Because companies don't pay top salaries for certificates. They pay for outcomes. If you can show, I automated this process. I reduced reporting time by 80%. I built an internal AI assistant. I created an AI-led gen system. You become instantly more valuable than someone with 5 certificates and no proof. This is the real market truth. Credentials open doors. Projects close deals. And this path gives you both. Use platforms like Coursera, Deep Learning, AI, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, vendor certifications, and free resources strategically. Coursera, then build something real. That combination is unbeatable. Now, let's zoom out. If your goal is 6 figures in 2026, don't ask, what's the best course? Ask, what problem can I solve that companies will pay for? Because AI is not the career. AI is the multiplier. A marketer with AI becomes faster. A consultant with AI becomes sharper. A developer with AI becomes more productive. A manager with AI becomes more strategic. A founder with AI becomes more scalable. That's where income grows. Not from watching lessons, from applying leverage. So here's my honest ranking recap. Number 5, Google AI Professional Certificate, Best Beginner Practical Entry Point. Number 4, Deep Learning, AI Machine Learning Paths, Best Technical Foundation. Number 3, Cloud AI Certifications, Best for Production and Enterprise Demand. Number 2, Executive AI Strategy Programs, Best for Experienced Professionals. Number 1, Hybrid Portfolio Path, Best Long-Term Earning Potential. And one more thing, don't underestimate free learning. Some of the highest ROI education today costs nothing, if you actually execute. That's exactly why I'm building practical AI content here. If you want to start right now, a free AI course is also available on the TechWise channel, because the biggest opportunity in AI isn't access anymore, it's action. This isn't the future of careers, it's already happening. Subscribe if you want practical AI skills that can actually increase your value in the real world.